I just got through listening to the end of my book club book, and it was so good. The ending was great, and so I'm all puffy-eyed. Anyway, excuse the extra snot. I painted this clock, Summer Crush. Sorry. I've got this clock, and then I bought this clock too. This guy has been at the store for a while and hasn't sold. And when I look at it, I'm not thrilled about it either, and so I need to learn to trust my gut on this. It's got kind of a, I don't know if you can see, the face has got some tans and browns, maybe even almost an olive, and so I think the Apothecary is kind of clashing with that. So I want to choose a warm color instead of this cool Apothecary. So I was thinking maybe this Aviary color. It's one of the new greens that they came out with, and it's got kind of this country feeling, and maybe with this being this green, the brown in this face or the olive in it, maybe it'll tone that way back. So that's what we're gonna try. On the clock, I'm not sure how to make this make this orange feel right, but we will see. I'll keep thinking on it.
Okay.
Since I've got this Aviary out and it's kind of fall, I think I'm gonna try taking the orange clock Aviary as well. And then see, maybe I can bring back some of the orange as I clean it up. I did not seal the orange, so I will have to be careful with how hard I press or how wet I let it get, trying to pull it back. If I put too much water on it, it'll activate the orange also, and therefore revealing the dark color. Come here and see if you can see my head in the video. Come look at the phone. Yeah, it's filming right now. Can you see my head? I know you can see it, goofball. Can you see it in the phone? Hello? Hello?
Yes.
Awesome, thank you. I am sealing the stuff that we painted. Actually, you have this that you painted. Do you want to seal it? No? All right. Do you want me to seal it or do you want to do it later?
You do it.
You can't resist the call of the camera. I did finish, also while my phone was dead, this clock. It had Apothecary on it, and I had it marked for 25 bucks, which seems a little high to me. I don't know what I was, sometimes I'm optimistic, I guess. But it has Apothecary first and then Aviary on top. And then I used the liquid patina, which is just a clear top coat that I painted on. It's got kind of a matte finish, but it feels to me like it dried a little bit darker than, say, the wax does. The wax will kind of darken it up, and then as it sets, it lightens back up. It seems to me that the liquid patina made it darker, not in a bad way, but it was darker than what I started with, and it seems to be staying like that. So now I've got this marked at $16.95, and it's headed to the mix tomorrow. Oh no. All right, price tag is already on it. My husband had clients in town at his office, and they had Manor catering, and they bring in these huge, I'll show you. They bring the food in these huge bags. But you know what else is good in these huge bags? Junk. And I'm really happy with the way it turned out. You can see a little bit of the Summer Crush peeking out, but it's mostly green. And again, it was topped with the same liquid patina. I like being able to paint it on. The wax, gorgeous finish, but it's a lot of hard work. So this is priced, I priced it at $40, which seems way too high. I think maybe what I meant to write was $29.95. So I'm gonna lower this one.